हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू पैकेनोरी कैपिटल सागा। आज हम बात करेंगे कि आप किन किन शेयर में मैं ट्रेड करने जा रहा हूँ। आइए आप मेरे साथ देखें कि मुझे शेयर आज क्यों खरीदने हैं, उसके पीछे रीज़न क्यों है और वो क्यों आगे बढ़ेंगे। डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ लीजिए प्लीज़। हाँ, सबसे पहले है कोमिन्स इंडिया। इसको आपने बाई करना है, जो कि करंट मार्केट प्राइस इसका चल रहा है 915 के आसपास, और मेरा टारगेट जो प्राइस टारगेट रहेगा वो 1252। एंड कंपनी डिस्क्रिप्शन इज सॉरी, Cummins is a subsidiary of Cummins Inclusive USA, a global manufacturer of engines and other power generator products. The company comprises three businesses: engine business, serving the construction and compressor markets with heavy, medium, and light duty engines. Second one is power system business, serving mining, marine, rail, oil and gas, defense, and power generation. And third one is distribution business. Cummins has 8 manufacturing facilities in Maharashtra and Gujarat. The company's product range primarily includes diesel engines, gensets from 15 kVA to 2000 kVA for various power industrial uses. Cummins also manufactures alternators, digital controllers, transfer switches, etc. And key investment arguments are: be retained buy on Cummins India with an unchanged price target of rupees 1252, gives its strong performance during the quarter and strong growth outlook. Cummins reported strong outperformance in revenues and operating margins for quarter 2 financial year 2022, led by sharp rise in domestic revenues and despite pressure on gross margins. Its price hikes are lagging by quarter and a half. On the ESG front, the company is actively working with all stakeholders, providing strategies for green energy transition. Global parents' exposure in alternate technologies would aid the company as and when transition happens. Export markets pick up, led by Asia Pacific region, followed by Africa, Middle East, and Latin America. Let's come on. Second one, that is the Alicon Castorari लिमिटेड। हम इसे खरीदेंगे जो जिसका इसका जो करंट मार्केट प्राइस जो चल रहा है 782 के आसपास। प्राइस टारगेट जो हमारा रहेगा 1056। एंड कंपनी डिस्क्रिप्शन इज: Alicon is a pioneer in low pressure die casting and gravity die casting. The company caters to requirements of the domestic as well as overseas clients and has a well diversified base of marquee clients. Cylinder head is one of the key products manufactured by the company and accounts for a lion's share of its revenue. Other products manufactured include brackets, crankcase, head cover, manifold, and brackets. Around 90% of Alicon's revenue comes from the auto segment, while the non-auto segment constitutes the remaining 10%. The company derives around 80% of its revenue from domestic operations, while 20% is constituted by exports, which includes overseas businesses. And key investment arguments are: we maintain our buy rating on Alicon Castorari Limited with an unchanged price target of rupees 1056, factoring long-term revenue visibility given its robust strong order book. Alicon quarter second year 2022 result were below expectations, mirrored by lower sale sorry and higher than expected contraction in EBITDA margin. We have maintained our earnings estimates to build in the company's multi-year orders wins and increase share of high margin machined components going forward. The stock trades attractively at PE multiple of 11.4 times and EBI/TDA multiplies of 5.9 multiply its financial year 2023 estimates. And next one is L&T Infotech, set to capture growth opportunities, and ratings are: you can buy at the current market price, that is nearby 7148, and our price target is 8100. Company description is promoted by Larsen and Turbo in 1996. LTI is the sixth largest $1670 million in financial year 2021 IT service company in India in terms of export revenues and is among the top 20 IT service provider globally with operations in 27 countries. LTI provides technologies, consulting and digital solutions to around 289 clients across the globe. LTI provides service to 72 of the Fortune Global 5,000 companies. The company has 23 delivery centers and 43 sales offices with employee strength of over 42,380 plus. LTI's vertical focus is heavily towards banking and financial services, insurance and manufacturing, which together contribute at the rate 62% to total revenue. That's great. And key investment arguments are strong deal win momentum, consistent new logo addition, robust client mining, excellent execution and strength in addressing transformation spending positions LTI for sustainable growth ahead. We expect a revenue oblique EPS to clock 18% oblique 20% CAGR over financial year 2022 to 24. LTI had invested early in augmenting its capabilities in data products business as it sees strong traction for data service offering. This differentiates LTI in data to decision conversation with Fortune 50 customers. Despite supply side challenges, LTI is expected to post QoQ improvement in EBIT margin in subsequent quarters of financial year 2022 on the back of strong revenue growth and cost efficiencies. LTI remains confident of clocking 14 to 50% net profit margin for financial year 2022E. We maintain a buy on LTI with a revised price target of rupees 8100 given its superior digital competency, healthy deal bookings, strong client base, prudent investments in building capabilities and a robust demand environment. And next one is Gati Limited. Uh, we can buy nearby at the current market price, that is 157, and short term target is 204. Means upside we will can book the profit around 30%. It is better than expected quarter to focus on growth. Company description: Gati incorporated in 1989 as an express distribution service provider, provides multiple services and solutions in the logistics and distribution business. It offers services to 1980 100 pin codes covering 735 out of 739 districts in India, operating in more than 1900 plus scheduled routes. Its integrated multi-modal transportation network comprise air and road. After strategically acquiring Gati in 2020, all cargo logistics is now the promoter and the single largest shareholder of Gati with more than 50% ownership, followed by Japan's Kintetsu Bird Express with about 3.5% share in the company. Gati Kintetsu Express Private Limited is a joint venture between Gati and KWE, where KWE holds 30% stake and Gati holds the remaining 70%. That's the great. And key investment arguments are: we retain positive view on Gati with an upside potential of 30% considering its strong earning growth led by a turnaround and discounted relative valuation. Gati reported better than expected performance on both revenues and operating margins for Q2 financial year 2022 led by strong performance in Surface Express business. One-time expense of Rs 5.2 crore in Q2 quarter 2. The company to open 5 built-to-suit leased mega logistic hubs over a few quarters, which would aid in volume growth and operating efficiencies. Debt continues to reduce for the company. Non-core asset sales target to conclude in financial year 2023. And next one is Muir Uniquoters Limited. You can buy at current market price, that is nearby 477, and price target would be 670. And company description is MUL, Muir Uniquoters Limited, is the largest manufacturer of artificial leather oblique PVC vinyl using the release paper transfer coating technology in India. The company's product finds application in shoes, garments, luggage, sports goods, and upholstery, and is used as a substitute for the real/natural leather. The company has 6 manufacturing plants with a capacity of 3 million meters per month. The automotive segment is the largest contributor, 57% of revenue, while the footwear segments contributes 35% to sales. Mull follows the OEM-based model with OEM contributing 75% to revenue. The domestic segment contributes about 80% to revenue, while the rest is contributed by exports. Key investment arguments are Q2 financial year 2022 results beat expectations led by higher sales, price hikes, and operating leverage benefits, partially mitigated by increased raw material prices. The management expects sales to be strong in the medium term, as it expects shortage of semiconductor chips to normalize by Q4 financial year 22 end. Stock is trading below its historical average multiple of PE, multiple of 14.2 multiply, and EV/EBITDA multiply of 8.6 multiple its financial year 2023 estimates. We maintain a buy on Muir Johnny Cotters Limited with an unchanged price target of rupees 670, owing to positive business outlook and margin expansion. And that's it. And today जो SGX Nifty is minus 60 points open फ्रॉम थर्सडे क्लोजिंग. जो वीरवार क्लोजिंग हुई है 793 पे हुई है. निकी -126 है. हैंग संग जो है प्लस 7 पॉइंट्स है. तो इस तरह से बाकी आप सब देख सकते हैं. क्रूड जो है डॉलर्स जो है अपना 0.068 माइनस है. इस तरह से ब्रेंट गोल्ड -6.5. गोल्ड तो बहुत नीचे है. सिल्वर ये भी नीचे है. तो इस तरह से मेटल के प्राइसेस तो नीचे जाने की उम्मीद है. तो इस तरह से की जो अपडेट्स हैं आप देख सकते हैं. डॉलर जो हमारा INR के अगेंस्ट है वो 74.335 है. तो इस तरह से आप जो भी है इसकी पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं यहाँ से. तो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू. एन्जॉय द ट्रेडिंग. थैंक यू.